you.
film, it like zooms in. So yeah.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, step back, because when I push film, it like zooms in on you.
Oh.
But you are actually under the lights there, so if you do step forward, the lighting's better right
Yeah.
where you are.
Well, they
Okay.
say that you want it to be right on your face like that,
Yep.
which is almost blinding, but you don't. But it's good for
No,
you.
which is good.
Okay.
And you can start this one. So.
Okay. So, welcome everybody to another episode.
Hello, hello. Russ Miller with New American Funding.
Christina Swires with eXp Realty. So glad that you guys are able to join us today. So, in this segment, Russ and I are actually going to be talking about renovation loans and the options. So, as a realtor, my job is to help you envision and paint a picture of what could be in a home. And a lot of times, as you know, in this market, people don't have a lot of options, especially in St. Louis with our low inventory.
Well, with the low inventory. So what it does, it opens up the possibilities for you. And I like what you said about being the visionary.
Mm-hmm.
Not only are you a realtor, we talked in a previous episode of what really know what realtors do. Well, you're a visionary here because you walk through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of homes.
Mm-hmm.
You can help an individual who might look at a kitchen and just turn their nose up and say, no way, next property. And say, wait a minute.
Right.
What if we did this? What if we put an island here?
Mm-hmm.
What if we moved this over here? That's awesome. And that's kind of where I come in, because we do at New American Funding offer a 203K loan. So it's the renovation loan for the FHA. We also have what's known as a home style renovation for a conventional borrower. That allows the loan amount to go all the way up into the mid 400s, to where FHA is just right around 290 or so.
And that's specific to New American Funding, isn't it?
The home style renovation, there's few lenders that have that, yes, but we do it, and we do it quite well.
Which is always a
Yeah.
plus to work with somebody that does that.
What do you do exactly then? What is your role in one of these renovation type of processes?
So when walking through houses with clients, I get them to paint the picture, so to speak.
Okay.
And the reason I feel like I am qualified to do that is because I did it personally to my house. I actually did a 203K mortgage, my husband and I did, to our house here in Creve Coeur.
You were just talking about how much equity you already have in this house, and you, with that, without knocking builders, but you did not have to deal with a builder.
No.
You dealt with a contractor.
My own that I hired.
That you hired.
They were licensed.
Licensed contractor, and then you put X amount into that, and you already have really, really, really good equity, and you only purchased this home 2 years ago.
Yeah, so my husband and I were actually able to set the blueprints for our house with our contractor.
Nice.
The same as if we were to go and build a house.
I'm glad you brought that up. So there are a few players in this game. There's the lender, there's the realtor, there's the contractor.
Yeah.
Very important. And then you have a couple inspectors, right? And that's about it.
Yeah, so you have to obviously pass occupancy, have inspections done, but no different than doing it on a house that you're not renovating. There really isn't much
Give me some ideas of repairs that you did or improvements to your house.
Gut the entire kitchen. I had green linoleum floors and green appliances.
You got rid of the linoleum?
I had a purple and a pink bathrooms.
Awesome.
In the master suite.
The old ceramic.
Yeah. A pink toilet.
And you got rid of that.
No, actually, people pay big money for those.
I'm telling you.
Put those online because I don't make them anymore.
So gutted the kitchen.
Gutted the kitchen, took down walls because a lot of older homes have the closed off or double living space.
So you opened it up.
Gave it an open concept. And so it gave us a vision, and it was just incredible from the before and afters.
So some improvements are the kitchens, baths, those are the biggies. Flooring. Roofs, windows, patios, decks.
I mean, you name it, anything that you need to do to improve the value of your home.
For the most part, can't do pools, right?
No, right.
No pools, nothing crazy, but I mean literally outdoor kitchens, some landscaping.
If a house you go into and we look at it, maybe has some structural issues even. I mean, I had mud jacking done on my house, and that was part of it.
That's not cheap.
It's not cheap. It was several $1,000s. So the 203K mortgage allowed us to purchase a home in an area that was, we thought, maybe out of our affordability, and make it our dream home.
And for those not in St. Louis, Creve Coeur is a very, very desired area.
Yeah, it's very centrally located. Schools are good. Crime is low, so people love living here.
It's awesome.
So.
Well, cool. I think that's a great segment. And folks, if you're interested, reach out to Christina or reach out to me. We would love to answer any questions that you have and help out with your new home purchase.
Yes, of course. Take care.
Thank you.
That's going to be a good one.